Chapter 6 Teeth and Microbes. Learning Objectives: Temporary teeth, permanent teeth, structure of tooth, types of teeth, tooth decay, microbes. Warm-up. Doctor, I have pain in my teeth. Your tooth has decayed. It looks like you do not take care of your teeth. But I brush my teeth once every day. That is not enough. You should take care of your teeth or we will have to remove it. I will take care of my teeth from now on. What happens to your food when you take a bite? What helps you in eating? Your teeth help you in chewing your food and breaking it into smaller bits so that it can be easily digested. Teeth are a very important part of our body. They not only help us to tear, cut, grind and chew our food, but also give a proper shape to our face and help us speak clearly. Temporary teeth. Ask your parents, when did you get your first tooth? Certainly you will get the answer that you got your first tooth when you were 6 or 7 months old. When you were 2.5 years old, you had 20 teeth, 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. These are called temporary or milk teeth. Permanent teeth. By the age of 6 or 7, milk teeth begin to fall off. Between the age of 6 to 12, your milk teeth fall out one by one and permanent teeth take their place. This permanent set of teeth has 28 teeth. 4 more teeth called wisdom teeth come out between the age of 17 to 25. Every adult has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Structure of a tooth. A tooth has 3 parts: the crown, the neck and the root. Crown is the visible part of the tooth, whereas the root remains inside the gum. The neck is the region at the gum line where the crown and the root meet. Outer cover of the tooth is very hard. It is called enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Below the enamel lies the dentine. Below the enamel lies the dentine. This is also quite hard and supports the enamel. It is a yellow bone-like material. Inside the dentine is the pulp. It is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. The nerves are connected to the gum through a hole in the root. The tooth receives nourishment from the pulp. Types of teeth. We have different types of teeth for different purposes. There are 4 types of teeth in the mouth of an adult person. Incisors or cutting teeth. There are 8 incisors in total, 4 in each jaw. They are used for biting. They have sharp edges like a chisel. Canines or tearing teeth. There are 4 canines, 2 in each row. They are located on either side of the incisors. They are sharp and pointed. They are used for tearing the food. Premolars or crushing teeth. There are 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw. The 2 teeth next to the canine on each side of the jaw are known as premolars. They are flat and wide and are located at the back of the mouth. They are used for breaking up the food into smaller pieces before it is swallowed. Molars or grinding teeth. The set of 3 teeth next to the premolars on each side of a jaw are known as molars. There are 12 molars in all, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. They have a broader surface than the premolars. They are used for grinding and chewing the food. Third or the last pair of molars in the jaws are known as wisdom teeth. Tooth decay. Many of you might have felt pain in your tooth or a hole or cavity in the tooth. Why does this happen? When we eat food, tiny bits of food particles stick to our teeth. If we do not clean our teeth properly, bacteria grow in these places and damages the hard covering or enamel of the teeth. They form a sticky coating called plaque. Then they attack the dentine and finally the pulp. When the bacteria reaches the nerves within the pulp, they cause pain. Thus, the tooth begins to decay. Gradually, it leads to the formation of a hole or cavity in the tooth. Bad breath, cavities, toothache, bleeding gums, and indigestions are the result of tooth decay. Care of teeth. Taking good care of our teeth prevents them from decaying. Calcium and vitamin C are very important for healthy teeth and gums. Foods like milk, cheese, and cottage cheese are rich sources of calcium. We should also eat rough, coarse food which will help our teeth, gums, and muscles of the food canal get stronger. No new teeth will grow in the place of permanent teeth if they decay and fall off. Rules for keeping the teeth healthy. Avoid eating too many sweets as they cause tooth decay easily. Wash your mouth after every meal. Use a dental floss to clean between two teeth. Brush your teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night. Move your brush both upwards and downwards and in a circular motion. Visit a dentist regularly for checkups. Did you know William Addis invented the first toothbrush in 1780? Microbes. Tiny living things that cannot be seen with naked eyes are called microbes. They can be seen only through a microscope. Microbes grow rapidly if they get suitable conditions such as warmth, moisture, food, and air. They may grow in soil, in water, inside or outside our body, or in the bodies of other animals. There are different kinds of microbes such as bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and fungi. Some of them are useful and some of them are harmful. Harmful microbes cause diseases in human beings. These microbes are called germs. Bacteria are simple microbes that may be spiral, rod-shaped, or round. Harmful bacteria cause diseases like typhoid, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. Viruses are smaller in size than bacteria. They are infectious agents that multiply inside the living cells of an organism. They infect all life forms and cause diseases like dengue, flu, chickenpox, etc. Protozoa are found in most habitats. They cause diseases like dysentery, malaria, etc. Fungi grow on decaying matter. They cause skin diseases like athlete's foot, ringworm, etc. Microbes are found everywhere. Our mouth and our blood provide favorable conditions for some microbe. Our mouth is under the attack of bacteria all the time. Bacteria are a type of microbe that thrive in the conditions present in our mouth. The bacteria turn the sugar from our food into acid. This acid then attacks our teeth, causing tooth decay. Useful microbes. Some microbes are useful. Some bacteria can change milk into curd, produce vitamins in our body, help in the decaying of dead plants and animals, help in the digestion of roughage in animals. Keywords: incisors, teeth that help in cutting or biting the food. Canines, teeth that help in tearing the food. Premolar, teeth that help in crushing the food. Molar, teeth that help in grinding and chewing the food. Cavities, hole in enamel due to acid produced by bacteria. Microbes, tiny organisms that cannot be seen with naked eyes. Chapter Roundup. We have two sets of teeth, temporary and permanent. Temporary teeth or milk teeth start coming out at the age of 6 to 7 months. Permanent teeth replace the temporary teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth in our mouth. Permanent teeth are divided into four kinds: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. All teeth have the same basic structure: crown, neck, and root. It is very important to take care of our teeth. Bacteria, fungi, virus, and protozoa are some microbes. Some microbes are useful and some are harmful.